look now.
Hey. You might have gone to another level.
Yeah. 7. 6. I think I'm just going to sit down.
You're going to sit and watch us.
I'm just staring at this window.
Downhill carriage and an empty uphill carriage, which happens often in a busy day. The system generates a small amount of electricity, which is then fed back into the national grid. As we leave the tunnel, if the weather is kind, we'll see the incredible view from the west coast out to the Murray Firth. On the clearest of days, the visibility can be anything up to 60 miles to the west, 70 miles to the northwest, 80 miles to the north, 45 miles out to the northeast. In the foreground, you can see the vast forests of Glenmore and Rothiemurchus, the Great Strath, and the majestic River Spey. The River Spey is renowned as one of the fastest salmon rivers in Scotland, flowing 107 miles high in the Monolea Mountains out to the Murray coast. The River Spey is one of the few rivers that flows both into the North Atlantic Ocean and the North Sea, due to the headwaters being used to feed the hydroelectric turbines at Fort William. Looking ahead down the track, you can see the passing. Parkwood is precisely halfway along the 1.8 kilometre line of track. It is the only section of double track
That one could have come down and this could come
together. There are two carriages connected by a steel rope. The carriages always pass on the same side. Carriage one always passes on the right going down. As we descend the passing, on the left, we will pass the site of the original chairlift that was built here on the White Lady chairlift. Opening in 1961, the chairlift building was plagued by constant drifting snow during winter, burying the access doors on a regular basis. Years later, the chair drive unit was lifted onto the top of the building, becoming effectively known as the rig, where it was less prone to snow burying. In the good old days, you had to walk up from the car park just to get to the chairlift, but in subsequent years, the lower chairlift was built, where the mountain garden is located. On the right of the track, you can see the shieling building. A shieling was a term used to describe a shelter in remote areas of the Highlands, where crofters would spend the summer as they would tend to their grazing cattle. Remains of these buildings can still be seen all over the Highlands as ruins, many overgrown with vegetation or taken over by forest and woodland plantations. Many songs, tunes and poems have been written to celebrate this important part of Highland culture.
Right, this one. Hey, dude.
police station. On the left, looking downhill, you can see the mountain garden and camera obscura building.
The card?
The mountain garden showcases the bay's plant, shrub, tree species that survive in the Cairngorm. The trees surrounding the mountain garden are a mixture of native and non-native
I've got them
species,
here. I'll hold on to them until we get
some
out.
of which were planted in the early 90s.
Don't push on it, Danny.
Mountain garden and camera obscura are free to enter.
Oh, we're getting out the other side. That got us.
So thank you for your visit today. We wish you a safe onward journey and look forward to seeing you again soon.
Ticket. Do we need the ticket to get off? Hang on, Danny, I'll find it for you. Junior, that's mine. That one's mine.
Junior.
No, Junior.
William's Junior.
William, yeah, William, we're both Junior.
I'm Andrew.
Don't use the left with him. Don't hold on to your ticket with him. And we're back. Look at that. Yeah, did you have to scan out of the web, Danny?
I need a wee.
Right, let's find the toilet then.